Hi, I'm Becky Swansburg, CEO of Stonewood Financial. And on this video, I am thrilled to share with you the top 10 ways that advisors like you are using Stonewood's retirement tax bill list builder and lead generator to grow their practice. Now, here at Stonewood, we are excited for the retirement tax bill list builder and lead generator because it capitalizes on this powerful tax story that we know converts in today's prospecting and marketing world. Now, we developed the RTB to do three important marketing tasks for you. The first is to build your list. So we want to find new cold leads to add to your list so that you have a ripe environment to market. Second, we want to use RTB to help you nurture your leads. So once you have prospects on this list, how do we warm them up and get them ready to do business with you? Of course, third, we want to convert your prospects into actual clients. So we want to use RTB to help you get more clients who raise their hand and say, I'm ready to meet with you. I want to learn about mitigation strategies for my taxes in retirement. So let's look at 10 ways advisors like you are using RTB to accomplish all three of these goals. And I'll tell you about some resources Stonewood has to help you accomplish them. The first is email marketing. Now, RTB works well with email marketing, whether you're marketing to cold or warm leads lists, or even to existing clients within your database. With existing clients, you can use the RTB within your newsletters or as kind of a PS with any communications you're sending out. PS, here at XYZ Financial, we believe it's important that you understand the potential retirement tax bill you face. Click here to generate a free report. With that cold lead marketing to your email list, we're really trying to educate people on taxes in retirement and use that hook for them that they can better understand their retirement tax bill and actually generate a real report with data that will help them quantify and understand that risk. Now, the second way that RTB is easy to be used is in digital ads. This is great for cold list building. You're really doubling down and leveraging that tax message. We know savers right now are concerned about taxes because of what's happening in Washington in terms of spending, in terms of political climate, in terms of the economy, and of course, in terms of all these new tax proposals that they are putting out. So the tax message converts. If you are interested in doing digital ads on this topic, we have some sample ads that you can use. We also have partnerships with a variety of digital ad firms, so we can get you connected with experts if you really want to capitalize on the RTB message within digital advertising. All right, number 3, print mail. Now, I am a huge believer in print mail. I know that a lot lately has moved to social and digital, and because of that, I think print mail, oddly enough, has found itself as kind of a breakthrough medium. So print mail is great to use with the tax message. We have some sample mailers that you can review. And additionally, Stonewood here, we have mailhouse partnerships with a lot of the leading mailhouses in our industry that have pre-worked retirement tax bill mailers that we've tested and we know convert. So if you're interested in getting connected with one of them, just reach out to your Stonewood VP of Member Success and they'll get you connected. Now, with a couple of these strategies, including print mail, you may want to create for your retirement tax bill landing page either a vanity URL or a slug. Now, your custom retirement tax bill landing page has a URL that isn't the neatest URL, right? It's not tidy. So anywhere where you're going to be asking someone to either enter a URL or remember a URL, you may want to use either a vanity URL or a slug that redirects. A vanity URL could be something as easy as XYZ, advisortaxbill.com that will redirect that landing page, or a slug from your website. So you may have www.xyzadvisory.com/retirement taxes. And that / slug will then redirect to your retirement tax bill page. We'll see this vanity URL and slug come up a couple more times in this video. It's a good one to remember. All right, number 4, social media. Now, the retirement tax bill message and tool works well with both organic and paid promotion on social media, particularly on Facebook and LinkedIn. So if you, as an individual advisor or your practice, have a social media following that you're growing, The RTB is easy to plug and play into the rotation of social media posts that you're using on a weekly basis. We know the tax message converts on social media. My marketing team here at Stonewood has put together a host of ready-to-use, plug-and-play social media graphics and copy that you can use on your pages. And as a reminder, remember to make those posts shareable. We're finding that your clients and the people that follow your page are likely to share posts that, one, talk taxes, and two, offer something of value. So that proposition of getting that free retirement tax bill analysis is a big motivator. All right, number 5, website leads. You have a website, and it is a great place to put the retirement tax bill to work for you. Now, my background is in marketing and communication strategy, and one of the things I actually remember professors teaching was that if you want someone to engage on your website, you have to give them something of value. And the RTB is wonderful for that. So here at Stonewood, from the marketing resources section of your website, you can download from Stonewood a variety of website banners. There's one you can see on your screen, or website buttons that encourage visitors to your website to get a complimentary, no obligation retirement tax bill report. It's a wonderful way to gather their data so you know who's been visiting your website and give those visitors something of value in return. In this case, a better understanding of their retirement taxes. Again, all of these graphics I'm mentioning today and the email templates, all of this content is available to download through your stonewoodfinancial.com portal. So log in, go to the retirement tax bill section, download. Of course, my marketing team and your member success coach is here to help you if you have any trouble locating these resources. 6, TV and radio. So if you're an advisor that has a TV show or a radio show, please tell me that you are talking taxes on that show. Taxes are a huge topic right now that's converting. And if you're talking taxes, which you should be, the retirement tax bill makes for a very powerful call to action. So when you've just had a show on taxes or you've interviewed an expert on taxes, you can say, but don't take my word for it. Analyze your own potential retirement tax bill. Go to, that's where that vanity URL or slug comes in, xyzadvisory.com/your taxes, and generate a complimentary report. Then come meet with me and my team, and we'll see what we can do to mitigate those taxes and reduce that bill potentially in retirement. This is a great topic that I hope you're incorporating into your TV and radio, and plug that RTB report in as a call to action. Number 7, client wallet share. When we talk prospecting and marketing, we are always talking new clients, new prospects, new leads. Let's not forget about the gold mine that is sitting there in your existing book of business. And the tax message plays really well here, because what you're saying is, Mr. and Mrs. Client, I've helped you mitigate income risk in retirement through our work with your annuity. And maybe if you manage money, I've helped you mitigate market risk too by how we've allocated your assets in your portfolio. But one of the most important risks you face in retirement is tax risk. And I'd like the opportunity to help you mitigate that as well. To get us started, why don't you go to this retirement tax bill generator and generate your tax bill, understand the kind of taxes that you may be facing in retirement, and let's talk about it. This is great for annual review process as a sales opportunity there, for newsletters and any other kind of client communication. Expand that story, make sure your clients understand you're ready to help them mitigate tax risk, and the RTB is a great way to whet their appetite and first help them quantify those taxes in retirement. Number 8, lead funnels and retargeting. So if you have already built your kind of leads funnels, or you are looking to build some, RTB plays very well. So you've had seminar attendees that didn't become clients, or webinar attendees that just never booked that appointment. You've got a cold lead list. RTB is a great thing to incorporate into your drip campaigns as we're working to move prospects through that funnel from cold lead to warm lead to booked appointment to client. The RTB, because it's a unified retirement tax message with other Stonewood materials, is also a great thing to use in conjunction with the Stonewood books, with our white papers like our legislative risk white paper, and with webinars or seminars you may be doing of ours, like the Rising Tax Risk seminar. So be sure to be interlacing all of that retargeting for any leads you're getting from within the Stonewood ecosystem or from outside of it. Hit them with that retirement tax bill, and let's see if finally seeing in black and white and color that actual retirement tax bill number gets them to book that appointment with you. Number 9, email signature. This is a big one, or an easy one, but one that's often overlooked. Look, every email you send is an opportunity to capture new clients and greater wallet share from your existing clients. So here at Stonewood, we've put together some email signature little graphics that you can incorporate into your email signature. Ask the people that look at your email, do they understand their potential retirement tax bill? If not, find out in 30 seconds. Click here and let's run a report. It's lead capture for you. You know that client is interested in taxes or that prospect is interested in what you have to say. And coming in at number 10 is client referrals. This is another opportunity where we don't just have to think about the cold leads coming in the top of marketing efforts. RTB is great for client referrals because instead of just asking for a referral, you're offering to give that referral something of value. So you're offering, Mr. and Mrs. Client, I'm so glad that we've done good work here with you and I've been able to help you mitigate tax risk. Are there other people, friends, family in your social circle that might also not understand the tax risk that they face in retirement? If so, I'd be happy to offer them a complimentary retirement tax bill report. Just give me their contact information, right? Make the introduction. We encourage advisors, you can use a print card that you can mail to them that referral, or an email that you can send to that referral with a link right to that retirement tax bill page. The great thing is once you see that referral's name come in as having gone to the page and run their report, you know that they're engaged and the retirement tax bill process has warmed them up a lot versus if you had just reached out to them cold, right? You've now given them something of value. They know a little bit about the priorities of your practice and helping your clients understand taxes. Now, if you want to dig deeper into any of these topics, we've made it easy for you. You can also download either on the Retirement Tax Bill How-To Guide or from the marketing section of your StonewoodFinancial.com account, this top 10 ways to use the retirement tax bill document. We go a little bit deeper into each of the strategies that I've discussed today and have a couple QR codes where you can reach some new content, some new training, and some new opportunities to really put all of these strategies to action. So we are excited here at Stonewood to help you make the most out of your retirement tax bill landing page. So reach out to my marketing team, reach out to your membership success coach, and let us know how we can help you and your team maximize your results with the retirement tax bill list builder and lead generator.